Silvertone model 1333 just showed up in the shuttle bay here at D-Lab Electronics. The mission is to remove all those red planets and the little green Martians and get this amp running again. Let's go. That's right. Every capacitor you see is coming out of this amp. We already had one of the red planets bite the dust, and I'm sure the other two are right behind it. And of course, those green guys, you know they gotta go. Good news is the old Sylvania 6v6s test perfect. It's time to rebuild this baby. Alright, this is a cathode biased amplifier, so the first thing I do is go to the cathode resistor and measure the voltage on that resistor. We should be seeing somewhere around 15 to 20 volts for a pair of 6v6 output tubes. So the amplifier is powered up, and I do hear a little bit of output. But look at our voltage. We have 92 millivolts. So there's something definitely wrong on the cathode biasing network. Let's take a look at the schematic. All right, here's the schematic. We're measuring at this point. We should be seeing 15 volts. We're seeing about 90 millivolts. So my guess is we have a short from pin 8 to ground. There's our 220 ohm resistor, and there across it is a 25 microfarad cap. Let's check the resistance. Alright, I'm still connected to the 220 ohm resistor. We were in volts. Now let's go to ohms. We have 0.9 ohms. My guess, that cap is shorted. Let's get it out of there and see what happens. So is the problem that capacitor? Easiest way to find out, cut it out of there. And look at there, our resistance went back to the 220 ohm resistor. Let's recheck the voltage. Powered the amp back up. Look at our voltage now climbing on pin 8 of those 6v6s. So obviously this amp is going to need a cap job. Recapping of the Silvertone is complete. And down here is the bag of the dead soldiers. It's time to retest. Okay, the Silvertone amp is recapped and playing great. All those red planet and green caps have been removed. If you're going to do a cap job on one of these amps, change them all, because they're going to cause trouble. The amp is up and running. And the tremolo works nicely. And when you turn it down, it's nice and quiet. Ready to go.